Hi Char, so today I'm going to show you how to make a souffle omelette, which is rather popular these days, and I hope you enjoy it. The ingredients you'll need are 2 eggs and salt and pepper, and the first step is to separate the egg whites and the egg yolks just like that. Next, put some salt and pepper into the egg yolks and mix it until it's well combined. Then whisk the egg whites until it becomes like this, and then put in the egg yolks and mix it up slowly so that the egg doesn't get liquidy. Then heat up the pan on a low heat and brush on some butter to the pan. And then pour the egg mixture into the pan and cover it up and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it should look like this, and fold it in half like that and transfer it onto a plate. And there you have it, your very own souffle omelette. And that is how you make a souffle omelette. I hope you enjoyed it and happy Ramadan. Bye Char!